Good morning, my name is Kit Beaudry with MarineMax Pensacola. This morning we're going to take you on a brief walkthrough of the Grady-White 215 Freedom. We've ordered this particular boat in Seaport Blue Gel Coat, which is one of Grady-White's newest and greatest colors. We've equipped this boat power-wise with the Yamaha 200 4-stroke. Step aboard, let me show you some of the great features of the 215. Notice as you come aboard, those backrests do flip forward, the seat flips upside down, and you can actually make it a true walkthrough, which is great for a 21-foot boat. We've equipped this particular boat, options-wise, with deluxe helm chair 2s. There is different seating configurations you can get in the 215. Notice we leave the boat blank for electronics, let our customer choose their preference. Over here on the port side, you'll notice the handy head porta potty. Moving forward to the bow, storage up under both sides of the seats here, full bow cushion, cup holders, grab handles, just a very unique 21-foot boat. Thank you for watching. You can always open it. Check us out at MarineMax.com.